Hello there, it's Trevor from Tesla and EVs again. I just want to quickly I'll tell you what's going on. Tomorrow morning I'm taking my car over to AutoShine and Tinting in Telford, the UK, and they're going to cover my car with xPel PPF, paint protection film, and then cover it with xPel ceramic. They've kindly said that they'll film it for me and they'll allow me to share the footage with you. So tomorrow morning I'll be off and let's see what happens. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.
The Tesla Model 3, brand new from the dealerships, coming to us for full paint protection film and coating, and it is also our first 20 plate vehicle.
Remember smoking blunts with my friends, service a couple of days, lost a lot to the fan. That's the shit got me upset, but at 8 then I finally start getting something on the side. 4-4, I'm a son. It's a girl, it's a one. These little boys take a pack. About to drill up my pot. Didn't work like 3 jobs. Probably why I never see ya. Probably why I never have time for the fake friends I won't be ya. Oh God, I've been running now. Up early when the sun is out. Not sunning out, my.
Tesla Model 3 is now complete. A lovely customer picked it up from Birmingham Tesla, drove it straight to us. It's on a 20 plate, so it's box fresh, brand new. It's now got full coverage in xPel paint protection film. I'm not going to bore you with the facts of what it does because I'm sure you've seen our videos before, but then it's had the xPel ceramic coating on top, and that just helps the water bead straight off it, and it helps the car stay cleaner for longer because the dirt doesn't stick to it either. It's then had the paint protection film on the interior. This model has gloss black in the middle, and it's really tempting to put things on there which vibrate as the car's driving and scratch it. So customers went at reception to drive for the first time or protected. He's going to keep the car for years, so this is why he wanted it done. So time to the handover.